Hello guys, tingnan nyo guys yung baby ko. Akala niya yung dryer house. She's played the toys dog. What is that dog? My baby. One more here. This is my garden guys. See? This is my sibuyas. Dalawang sibuyas. And calamansi, kangkong. This one I don't know what this is. Opo. Papaya. And my ano tawag din? I don't know. Octopus? No, hindi pala octopus. And then, may tanglad. Big calamansi. Nandito calamansi. May nakalimutan ko ang tawag. Another sibuyas. Aloe vera. So guys, ang dami ko ng natanim. And ito yung lovebirds ko. Siya. Gumawa din ako ng higaan nila doon. Okay guys, bye bye.